Okay folks, we're getting a different angle of the sunset tonight. I'll show you the whole view of the farm. And then the sunset tonight. It's dropping down behind the trees on the farm. And there's the big monster silo. Looks cool right there, shining off the side of the barn there. That's awesome. A faraway shot. Get to see the silo and the barn in there. It looks awesome. Yep, no clouds tonight, so you see how not a cloud in the sky, so we're not going to have the champagne effect tonight of the red skies. So I thought I'd give you the view of the sunset tonight on the farm. Yeah, beautiful over here. Yeah, I'm up here in the barns up here, way in the back. I've seen these before in the other videos, but there's not a cloud in the sky. Just a beautiful sunset in the background. Yep, they're awesome. Yep, they say I get the best sunsets out here. It just looks the coolest. It's glistening off the barn, the sunset. And of course, there's my calico. Always has to come visit. Meowing away. Hi, Callie. Yeah, noise of the trucks going by. But we got the beautiful sunset going up there. Looks beautiful right there. Love how it reflects off of the barn and the silo. I should go around and take a view of the silo up there with it coming off. I think we're gonna have to do that. Okay, Callie, you gonna come down and walk with me? I'm gonna take a look at the sunset on the other side. There, we'll get it. Look at that, it's coming down behind the trees. See that? We're gonna miss it. It's cool. It's still coming off the barn. Alright, we're gonna get down there real quick. I'm gonna take a look at the silo over here, get another angle. It's gonna be a little bouncy here. We'll drop it back down. There we go. See, it's dropping already. So I'm coming down the hill. I'm already losing it. See if I can get over here fast enough. And get a look over here. Yeah, it's going too quick for me. Losing it fast. Yeah, we've got some glow coming off. Yeah, beautiful fields. There, see, there's a silo. We got some shining off the top there. There's how the silo looks in the sunset. The barn's kind of fading away now. Yeah, a little bit on the eve. Yeah, that's about it. So there you get to see the farm. So that concludes our sunset today, folks. You can see a little through the trees here. Let's see. There, right there. That's where it is, coming through the trees. Let's see if we can get a little view over here. There. See across the fields and the nice countryside. And just give a little scan around and oh, looks like Bubba's up there. Yeah, there he is. Far away. Yeah, as it starts to get dark, the sun just set. Alright, everyone. Thanks for watching. There, you still see the sunset on top. The silo still lit up there. And look, Callie over there calling for me. There she is over there. Yep. There's the big old silo you can see, and got the weather vane on top. And there's my house in the back. You can see the roof right there. I'm just trying to focus. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. Oh, here comes Callie. She's making her way over to me now. There she is, coming through. Calling. Are you coming? Come on. Come on over. Come on. Where are you? There you go. Doing a little hopping. Come on, come over and see. And come see me. Yeah, come on. I know, you can't be away from Dad, huh? Yeah, come on. I know, you got your little cute voice. And come see. Hi. Hello. Wanna come over? And come on over and come on. There you go. Hi, big girl. Hello. There. I know. Hi. Okay. Enjoying the sunset too? The sunset on the farm? Yeah, huh? Okay. I know. Did you want to have something to eat? Yeah? You wanted something to eat? Okay. I'll have to go get you something to eat, okay? Okay. Big girl, huh? Oh, there. Oh, she's out looking at the farm. And tell everybody thanks for watching with my little toes. My little feet and my toes, huh? There you go. Okay. Alright, everyone. Thanks for watching the farm and the sunset. Have a nice weekend.